Today we'd like to share with you how to cook chuck roast on a charcoal grill. Chuck roast is pretty tough, and it's usually used for dishes like stews and stuff like that. However, when you cook it on a charcoal grill for a long time, it actually becomes pretty tender. The beef we used was only about $5 a pound, which is pretty cheap. This is perfect for cooking for a party or lots of people, while also being budget friendly. First, season the beef with salt and pepper and marinate for 30 minutes. While the beef is marinating, let's prepare the charcoal. We're going to use the snake method and line the charcoal up around the grill. This will help the grill maintain the temperature at around 250 degrees. Once you have the charcoal prepared, you can place chunks of wood on top to add an extra smoky flavor. Fill the charcoal chimney with only a third of the charcoal, and then light it up. Wait until the top part of the charcoal is partially covered by ashes, and then pour it onto one of the ends of the snake lines. Preheat the grill and the grate for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, clean it with a wire brush with some oil. Before adding the beef onto the grill, add a foil pan with apple juice to catch the drippings. You could use apple cider vinegar here instead of apple juice, but we like to use apple juice because we can drink it. Place the beef above the apple juice pan. Close the lid and let it cook for about 2 hours. Come back to check occasionally to see if the charcoal has run out or if you need to add more. For us, our snake line is pretty long and we didn't need to add any extra charcoal. The temperature maintained pretty well around 250 the entire time, even when it rained in the middle. Now it's about 2 hours later and the rain finally stopped. Let's go ahead and take a look at the beef. The internal temperature is about 120 now. Our goal is to have it reach above 140 for a medium level. You can adjust this to whatever cook you're trying to achieve. Once it reaches 130, I'll move the beef to the hot side, right above the charcoal, and sear both sides. When the internal temperature is about 145, take it out from the grill and let it rest for 10 minutes. While the beef is resting, you can use this time to prepare the garlic butter with fresh rosemary. Chop the rosemary into small pieces, warm the butter in a microwave for about 30 seconds, and press the garlic in. Add the rosemary and mix everything well. This is a nice, easy, tasty addition to use with beef. After resting 10 minutes, I'm so ready to cut it open and see how it looks inside. Wow, it looks so nice. It's pink and medium and perfect. You can cut it into thin slices and serve it with the garlic butter mixture. It's so flavorful. If you want it to be a little bit more tender, you can cut them into thick slices first, and then cut across the grains so it'll be extra tender. I like to cook this dish a lot. Not only is it inexpensive and easy to cook, but it's also so tasty and it goes well with so many things. Thank you for watching until the end. Leave us a comment below if you're going to give this recipe a try and how it turns out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell button so you'll get notifications for our future recipes.